Yo, what's good everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to build a simple and clean platform for your trunk and even put some carpet on it for under 30 bucks. We're going to continue to work on the Corolla today. When I bought the car, the interior is really clean, floor mats are clean, the seats, door panels, everything's really clean for its age. The only part that's not clean is the trunk. And sometimes you spill crap back there. You might be hauling oil like I do a lot to do oil changes for people, and you might spill some stuff back there, and I'm doing this a lot with my hand. So sometimes you spill liquids back there and it can get kind of dirty and spotty on the carpet and even soak into like that wood platform back there that covers the spare tire and tools if you have that back there, and it can kind of get like warped out. So I'm going to build a new platform for the whole trunk, get it nice and flat all around, and then put new carpet on it, and then it's going to look sick. Let's go. So you can see my carpet's kind of oily and all spotty and dirty, and then that wood thing down here, let's see. Then this wood thing down here is all like warped and crap. So we're going to make a base that covers this whole area so it's flat all the way around. So for the materials, we bought this spray adhesive. It's just like universal multi-purpose adhesive. You're just gonna spray the carpet onto the platform. And then I went and bought two of these pegboard boards for $8 each. You can get a larger sheet for $8, which is half the price of what I paid, but since I have this car, I can't really fit a whole sheet in there. So you can just go ahead and get a big sheet if you can haul it home. It'll be cheaper. And then you can go on eBay or like Joann's or something and get some upholstery carpet. I got 2 yards of it and it was only like $8. So $8, that's $8 plus tax and all that, $30. So it's gonna be sick. Let's do this. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is make it so it's easy to put in, pull out of the trunk, and easier for you to access your spare tire. Since I already have 2 boards right here, I'm gonna lay them together and actually put like a gap between them, and then throw some duct tape over both sides so it's actually like it folds like that. You could either make a full sheet if you want. It'll probably be a lot harder to like slide in, or you can put it so it folds in half, folds 4 times, 32 times, whatever floats your boat. But yeah, I'm gonna make it be able to fold in half since I bought 2 separate sheets, and it's gonna be easier to pull in, pull out, put in. And then we're gonna put the carpet over that, and it's gonna actually keep like, give it another like back layer, kind of like a book. So when you open it, just like. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and lay these down. This is actually 4 foot by 4 foot, and what we needed back into the trunk area was actually 56 by 3 feet. I'm gonna go ahead and lay the old carpet on top of this wood right here and get a rough outline. It's not going to be long enough, wide enough, because I didn't know these pieces were that short, but if you get the full sheet, you should be good. But we're going to use like the excess from the top because we won't need the whole top, and put on the sides right there. So next we're going to go ahead and cut it out with this jigsaw, but for these bad boys like this. So we just finished cutting one side up, and I just like place it in here, and you just want to go around and check like all the sides to make sure it fits down, because sometimes you might not trace a nice line like I did. I had to go back and like cut this little edge right here just so it would slide down. And then now we're just gonna go and do this other side right there, fit that in there, and then probably tape down this line so it folds out. And once we do that, we'll get the little extra pieces and then just make little flaps right there to flap over, just so it's nice and flat all the way through. So this is what it's gonna look like. There's a piece of like tape right here. You kind of want to leave kind of a gap between this so when you fold it, it actually has room to fold. I ended up cutting these little flaps off the old carpet and just taping them on for now. I'll probably put tape on the back side too, and then did this side as well. Then we're gonna pull it out and then spray the glue on it, and then put our new upholstery on top of it. Alright guys, so what I did was I basically lifted this side up, threw some glue down at the bottom of that and on this side. I let it air dry for like literally like 5 seconds because I didn't want to wait that long. And then I'm just gonna do this side now, just lay it down flat. As you saw, I just like pushed on it so it like grips the glue and the carpet pretty good together. And then after that settles for a bit, just like the other side, I'll cut down like these sides so it folds over nice. And throw some more glue on that, and then just fold over the sides so the front side's all nice and even. And then we'll just flip it over, probably go over it with the vacuum really quick since it's on the floor, get it nice and clean, and we should be good to go. So we got it in now. As you can see, it looks so much better, just nice and flat all the way around. Nice new looking carpet. I have to go ahead and put like a piece of like foam or something down here just to keep it from like bending down. I'll probably order like one of those leather like loops later on and just like rivet it to here just so it has like a little strap I can pull up. But I'll be able to pull this up, so later on if I need to take this out, it'll be way easier to grab. I think it'll look pretty nice with just like a little added touch of myself, you know? Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. The carpet came out really nice and came out nice and flat and really clean compared to what it used to be. That's a really simple thing to do for your car for under 30 bucks. Like I said, the glue was like 10 bucks, the wood was 10 bucks, and the carpet 12 bucks. So under $30 you can clean up the look of the trunk and just make it nice and brand new. So I just want to say thanks again for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more videos. I will be continuing to do stuff to this car, the daily driver right there. I will also try to get some more videos on the Subaru, me taking it apart and seeing what's actually wrong with it. So hit that thumbs up, guys, if you want to thumb wrestle again. Throw some comments down below, guys, and then subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.